Diabetes is a common health condition that appears when the body is no longer capable of making the needed amount of insulin or cannot use it in an effective way. Pancreas is the organ that produces the hormone insulin, which enables the glucose takes from the food to go to the cells in the body, and there it is transformed into energy used by different tissues and organs in order to perform their job. But on the other hand, people who are diagnosed with diabetes can also live their life without any complications. And the reasons for this are good treatments that can improve your life. But not everyone can afford good medical treatments, and for some of them, it is quite irritating to have to inject insulin every single day. Here, you can get natural ways for treating diabetes, and you will discover the most efficient, 100% natural, safe, and costless treatment for diabetes. You will only need two basic ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. Ingredients: 1 lemon, celery roots, cup of water. Preparation: first, wash the celery roots. Cut it into small pieces. Add celery pieces into mixer and add water. Add lemon juice and blend the mixture. Strain the juice into a glass. Now the diabetes-free juice is ready to drink. If you feel bitter, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetened taste. This is the recipe for this amazing syrup for treating diabetes. Consumption: it is recommended to drink every day about 30 minutes before having breakfast. Follow this process for 1 week and check the blood sugar levels. Continue this juice daily to say goodbye to diabetes forever.